भारतीय सीमा के पास ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी पर आगामी मेगा जल विद्युत परियोजना चीन का एक जल बम खतरा है। तिब्बती नीति संस्थान और अरुणाचल प्रदेश के भारतीय सांसद ने गंभीर चिंता जताते हुए इसे जल बम बताया है। हालांकि चीन ने तिब्बत की नदियों पर कब्जा करके कई जल विद्युत परियोजनाएं बनाई हैं, लेकिन अरुणाचल प्रदेश में भारतीय सीमा के पास ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी पर आगामी मेगा जल विद्युत परियोजना न केवल भारत के लिए बल्कि बांग्लादेश और तिब्बती पर्यावरणवादियों के लिए भी एक गंभीर चिंता का विषय बन गई। उत्तर भारतीय पहाड़ी शहर धर्मशाला में निर्वासित तिब्बती सरकार के तिब्बत नीति संस्थान के शोधकर्ता डेचेन पाल्मो तिब्बत की नदियों पर शोध और अध्ययन कर रहे हैं। आइए देखते हैं कि अरुणाचल के एक भारतीय सांसद ने इस पूरे मामले पर क्या कुछ कहा।
During this recent meeting, Chinese government have released a 14 5-year plan where they have came up with this huge dam that would be built on the lower reaches of the Yalong-Sangbo. They haven't mentioned how big this dam would be and where this dam would be built. So, however, there are many researchers and scientists who states that the dam would be built at the Methok region just before it enters India. So, at the Great Band of the Yalong-Sangbo. So, as per the different reports we have seen, some suggest that it would be of 60 gigawatt hydropower dam, and if such a huge dam built on this region, it will have, of course, it will have impact on the Tibet as a whole, and also the region downstream like India and the Bangladesh. So there are many research done that how this dam on the Great Band have impact, and since the region itself is very seismically very active zone, and over the past 10 years there were many earthquake happening in this region also. So even if we look back in 1950s, there were very huge earthquake happen in like with a magnitude of around 8.4, I guess. So if such dam being built on this region, and if this kind of have impact on the ecosystem as a whole.
So it's a great threat for not only Arunachal, not only for India, it is for the Bangladesh also. So I raised this issue in Parliament, Lok Sabha, that China is making a water bomb. Anytime they may release huge quantity of water, it will have a devastation in Arunachal, Assam, and even in Bangladesh. So under our leader, Modi ji, we are also preparing to have a big dam inside Arunachal Pradesh to retain whatever the China do in future, any kind of atom bomb against